Recently, in one of the live sessions, there was an interesting question that came up. And the question was, if audience watch my video at 2x speed and complete the video, will I get full watch time or only 50%? Now say for example, the video is around 10 minutes long. If somebody watches it at 2x speed, that means the video is going to be completed in 5 minutes. So will I be getting 10 minutes watch time as a creator, or will I be getting only 5 minutes? So it's a very interesting question. Let me help you understand that. Welcome to Sriram Benur channel. Now, each and every creator who is there on YouTube, they have their own style of delivering the content. Now, some of them may be speaking in the normal speed. Some of them may be speaking slightly at a higher speed. Now, if you see in my case, I think I speak slightly faster, correct? Now, some of them may be speaking slightly slower. So to make sure every audience who come on YouTube platform, they get the right experience of watching the video, YouTube has a feature where they can select the playback speed. Now, say for example, if this video is very fast, now somebody can just click on the playback speed and they can select maybe 0.75 or 0.5 or 0.25 so that the video is going to be played slow, correct? Now, if somebody is speaking slowly or they are delivering the content slow, in that case, they can increase the speed as well. And some of them like to watch it in a higher speed so that they can complete the video faster, and they might have that high grasping power as well. Okay, so that's how it really works. Now this is with respect to the audience experience, so that they get the right experience while watching the video. What about the creators? What happens to the watch time? Because watch time is one of the most important thing for a channel to get monetized, to earn good money as well, correct? So with respect to the creator, say for example, if somebody is watching your video, which is 10 minutes long at a speed of 2x, that means they are completing the video in just 5 minutes. In that case, you are going to get watch time of only 5 minutes. Why? Because that's how long they were on the video, right? They were not there for 10 minutes. They were there only for 5 minutes. Now let's take another example. Say for example, your video is 10 minutes long. Now somebody is watching your video at 0.5 speed. That means half the speed of the normal video. In that case, they are going to complete your video in 20 minutes. That means you're going to get 20 minutes as the watch time. So this is how exactly it works. The amount of time that the audience spend on your video is the watch time that is going to be considered. Whether they are going to play at 2x speed or 0.5 speed or 0.25 speed, it does not really matter. The amount of time that is spent on your video is going to determine how much watch time you got from that particular audience. So that's how exactly the watch time is going to be calculated if somebody uses the inbuilt feature of playing the video at a different speed. I believe this video is informative. If yes, then please do like it. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. If you have any question related to YouTube, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you're looking to grow your channel, then just click on this info link. There are a lot of informative videos which can help you to grow your channel as well. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take good care and bye for now.